Kathy.
I'm Nalani.
And Stephanie's over there.
And Francisco's over there.
And we're presenting the Bill of Rights.
The Bill of Rights was written by James Madison, a major contributor to the U.S. Constitution. It was ratified on December 15, 1791, and was the answer to the fears that the Constitution would weaken personal liberties. It was a response to the Anti-Federalists, the faction against the ratification of the Constitution. The Federalists fought hard for the creation of the Constitution, but for right now we're gonna leave their quarrels for another video.
Aww.
Because for right now we'll start with Preamble. The preamble of the Bill of Rights is really only a formality. It outlines why the Bill of Rights is being written.
Yay!
It also confirms that the amendment process is being followed correctly. Now, for number 1. Everybody knows that the First Amendment guarantees freedom of speech, freedom of religion, freedom of press, the right to assemble, and the right to petition in the government. Amendment numero 1 also prohibits the creation of a state religion. Number 2. The Second Amendment gives us the right to arm bears.
Aww.
Oh wait, the right to bear arms.
Oh.
The way. The Third Amendment is more of a Revolutionary War problem. 3 prohibits the housing of troops in homes during peacetime, before and during the Revolution War. British redcoats often stayed in the homes of the colonists. The colonists were forced to cook, clean, and take care of the soldiers.
Boo.
Now, thankfully, we don't have to put up with that.
Yeah.
4. The Fourth Amendment comes up a lot in cop shows, such as Law and Order, CSI, and CIS. It prevents unlawful searches and seizures and requires that a warrant from a judge be on hand at all times during the search. Fifth Amendment. The Fifth Amendment is all about the right of defendant in court law. The first being a grand jury indictment for the prosecution of especially serious crimes. The second, jeopardy. Cannot be compelled to testify against yourself. And due process.
The Sixth Amendment makes sure that we have a speedy and public trial. This amendment also makes sure that we have an impartial jury, because no one wants an unfair jury. Am I right? The Seventh Amendment. The Seventh Amendment is basically a big rule saying that anyone tried and judged in a court cannot be put through court again. So that does not leave any room for buts or maybes. All or nothing, they say. Amendment number 8. The Eighth Amendment is another classic. No high-priced bails. And definitely no cruel and unusual punishment. Amendment number 9. The Ninth Amendment is a confusing one. What it basically means, though, is that the people have more rights than just the ones named in the Bill of Rights, and the government cannot infringe upon those rights. Amendment number 10. This amendment, combined with the Ninth Amendment, was supposed to clear up any loose ends the Bill of Rights may have had. This amendment grants powers to the states that have not already been granted to the federal government. This makes sure that the central government isn't so powerful.
That's it for now, folks. Bye.
It's always a good time.
Yeah.